Over 60% of seniors now choose SUVs for their comfort and safety. But pick the wrong one, and you're stuck with aches or breakdowns. In this video, we share the 7 best SUVs for seniors in 2025, based on real feedback and expert tests. Watch to find the perfect ride for ease, value, and peace of mind. Number 1. 2025 Subaru Forester. The 2025 Subaru Forester brings adventure-ready capability to the compact SUV segment, blending safety, comfort, and value in a versatile package. Starting at $29,695, it's powered by a 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine, producing 180 horsepower with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. It features available 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels, dual-zone climate control, and an 11.6-inch touchscreen display. Inside, the spacious cabin offers available leather and heated and ventilated seats. Advanced safety like eyesight and blind spot detection ensures security. Competing with the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, it shines with off-road prowess and value. The 2025 Subaru Forester is great for seniors because it has simple technology and a comfortable ride. Its safety features, like eyesight and blind spot detection, also keep them secure. Number 2. 2025 Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V combines a sleek design with practical features, setting the standard in compact SUVs. Available in 6 trims, with the X starting at $32,350, it offers a 190 horsepower turbo engine or a 204 horsepower hybrid with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive optional. The hybrid achieves up to 40 miles per gallon combined. Inside, it features a 9-inch touchscreen, available leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and advanced safety with Honda sensing and available blind spot monitoring. Competing with the RAV4 and CX-5, it excels in ride quality and value. With comfortable seats, easy entry, and these safety features, it's ideal for seniors. The 2025 CR-V is a top choice for reliability and efficiency. Number 3. 2025 Nissan Rogue. The 2025 Nissan Rogue is a compact SUV that blends comfort, safety, and value, ideal for seniors. Starting at $29,980, it boasts a turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine with 201 horsepower and front-wheel drive. Its spacious cabin offers available quilted semi-aniline leather seats and 3-zone automatic climate control. Standard blind spot monitoring and advanced driver assistance options ensure safety. Competing with the Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, and Mazda CX-5, the Rogue shines with its upscale interior and affordability. The 2025 Nissan Rogue is a strong contender for seniors due to its comfortable interior and safety features like blind spot monitoring. Number 4. 2025 Mazda CX-5. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 brings a sporty edge to the compact SUV segment, blending style, performance, and value in one attractive package. Starting at $28,570, it offers a 187 horsepower engine with an optional turbo boosting it to 256 horsepower. Inside, you will find a 10.25-inch display, available dual-zone climate control, and standard blind spot monitoring. Its comfy ventilated seats and user-friendly tech make it a great choice for seniors. With its sleek design and fun driving feel, the CX-5 shines against rivals like the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is a great pick for seniors because it has helpful safety features like blind spot monitoring. Its comfy seats and easy-to-use tech also make it simple and nice to drive. Number 5. 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid. The 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid is a standout in the 3-row SUV market, offering a perfect blend of hybrid efficiency, modern technology, and comfort. Starting at $40,065, it's powered by a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine and electric motor, delivering 227 horsepower and up to 36 miles per gallon combined. Inside, the Sorento Hybrid seats 6 comfortably, with spacious second-row captain's chairs and a third-row best for kids. Its loaded with tech, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen and advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring. Competing with the Toyota Highlander and Hyundai Santa Fe, the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid, with its advanced safety features and comfortable interior, could be a great choice for seniors. Its user-friendly technology and spacious cabin make it a strong contender among the best SUVs for seniors in 2025. Number 6. 2025 Lincoln Aviator. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is a luxurious three-row SUV blending power, comfort, and safety, perfect for seniors. Starting at $59,890, it boasts a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine with 400 horsepower and 20-inch alloy wheels. Its serene cabin features a 12.4-inch display, tri-zone climate control, and seats 7, with standard blind spot monitoring for added safety. Competing with the BMW X5 and Mercedes GLE, it offers a refined ride and premium amenities, making it one of the best SUVs for seniors in 2025. The Aviator's comfort, safety features like blind spot monitoring, and luxury make it a strong contender for seniors. Number 7. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe brings a bold, blocky new look to the three-row SUV segment while delivering great value. The SE trim starts at $34,300, with a turbocharged 2.5-liter i4 engine making 277 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic, offering about 20 miles per gallon in city and 29 miles per gallon on highway. Inside, it seats up to 7 adults comfortably with an intuitive 12.3-inch display, wireless smartphone integration, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warnings, and climate control across rows. Higher trims add 20-inch alloy wheels, digital center mirror, wireless charging pads, and a surround view monitor. With strong safety features and roomy, easy-access seating, the Santa Fe's spacious interior, user-friendly tech like blind spot alerts and touchscreen, plus comfortable and safe ride, it makes an excellent senior-friendly SUV. Its higher seating, smooth ride, and strong value mean it's both easy to enter and pleasant to drive.